There's a whole nother chapter in our MDX story that you'll learn more about in the near future, and that's our first ever MDX Type S. We're saving details until closer to its market introduction, but I'll tell you, it will further elevate MDX in every meaningful way: performance, prestige, and premium appeal. This includes our new V6 turbo engine, churning out 355 horsepower, 21-inch wheels, the largest wheel-tire combination in Acura history with Brembo brakes, and the amazing interior with a 1,000-watt audio system. All of this and so much more we can't wait to tell you about will be available next summer with the arrival of the Type S model. On top of that, we're applying the latest generation of Acura's super handling all-wheel drive technology to the entire MDX lineup, including Type S. It's the only system in its class that delivers true dynamic torque vectoring, continuously distributing engine torque left to right and front to rear to enhance every element of driving performance and all-weather handling. We tie it all together with our integrated dynamic system with snow, comfort, normal, sport, and individual modes. This system lets the driver truly customize the dynamic character of MDX, the powertrain response, steering, and much more to suit different driving conditions. And as with the all-new TLX, we applied a new customizable cabin experience featuring 27 interior lighting themes, most named after iconic locations and drives from around the world, from the Vegas Strip to the Amalfi Coast. Drivers will immediately feel how far we've raised the bar on dynamic refinement and exhilarating performance with the new MDX. It's an SUV with the heart of a sports sedan, and it's built for Type S levels of performance down to its bones, which really elevates the experience for every MDX customer.